Hello everyone, welcome back to How Logical. Today I'm going to show you how to block someone in Grindr app. First of all, make sure you have already installed create your account in Grindr. Now go to your Grindr app. You can see the home screen. Let's go to your messages. You can block anyone you like. If I want to block this person, just tap on him, tap on his profile, and on the top left you can see two options, block and rating option. Just click on block. This is how you block a person in your Grindr app.